Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Green. I'm the Head of Technical Engagement here at the Scolmore Group, and in today's video we're going to be replacing a bulkhead fitting that was on the wall here for one of these, which is the EVO Deco XL. Now this fitting comes with lots of features packed into it. So we can see here it's 5-year warranty, IP54 and it's CTA, and it also does come in a variety of different versions. So we've got a standard version, emergency version, sensor version and a sensor and emergency version. So let's get this on the wall and see how it looks. So we drilled the hole out in the back of the fitting already. Let's get these cables through it. Just sit that there for a second. Just nip them screws up. And the good thing about these as well is they've got these nice piano key connectors that you can just simply push your cables into. And it's got a nice cord grip as well, where your cables can be secured. One of the good things about this cord grip is actually that it grips in increments, so you're not actually just relying on the screws to pull it in. It's actually got some fittings, some little notches on it that actually just make it nice and easy, so you're not forcing that cable back, but you are making sure it's secure. So we can see here then we've got the connections all in. This one is the emergency version that we was talking about, so we've got lots of different outputs that come out here. If we start to get this on the actual LED itself on there, a nice little twist lock in there, and we've got some nice arrows at the top here which tell us which way around it should be, making sure basically so we're not stretching the cables behind there. We've got the LED indicator here for the emergency here, and we've also got a nice CTA switch which we can change just by simply moving it across, and that's the emergency that's gone. So let's get this screwed up. So we can see we've actually got the LED PCB there with all the diodes on there. Like I say, the nice little fixing holes there, making sure that you've got it tight up against these 3 fixing screws. All that's left to do now is to put the diffuser on. So let's turn it back on and see how it looks. So as we can see then, we've got the power back on, we've got the green light which is charging the battery for the emergency setup, and all that's left to do is to switch it on. Just like that, just like magic, it's all on. Great looking fitting, nice and easy to install. If you want to learn a little bit more about some of our products, make sure you check out some of our videos. But for now, like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.